Okay, welcome. You are more than likely a new consultant. I'm so excited you've joined our team, and I want to show you how to set up your first party. So if you've logged into 31 today, which is more than likely where you are at, we also refer to this as TOT or TOT. You are then going to click on your virtual office. You then are going to click up here on parties, and you're going to create a new party. You are literally going to follow the prompts. So we're going to call this Susie's Fall Launch Party. And more than likely, we are in COVID as I'm making this. If things change, it could be a home party, but for now it is online. Now, if we've set a party date, say for the 6th, my suggestion is that you always close parties on around a Friday or a Sunday, and I have a reason for those. Friday is because it's payday and people are excited for the weekend and they have money to shop with and so on and so forth. Sunday is also a great day because what do most people do Sunday in the afternoon or the evening? They're relaxing, they're watching TV and movies and that sort of thing, and they're on Facebook and they're scrolling and they're possibly even shopping. So we're going to pick the 11th for the date. We're going to scroll down. I guess we're going to actually scroll over and we're going to fill in your name and we're going to say your name is Susie Smith. I actually have a Susie Smith. Sure, we're just going to say that's Susie Smith. I think it looks like I used it before as a goofy one. And we have this all filled in and we're going to save and continue. Now here are some more important steps. So party ship to selection. Now we do have options to send to the hostess, to send to the consultant, or direct ship only. I personally only use direct ship when shipping all of my parties. And the reason being is that this is going to allow every customer to get their items immediately. As soon as they submit, these orders are going to get processed. If you choose hostess or consultants, those orders are not getting processed. They are actually sitting there in nowhere land, to be quite honest. They're just in your back office. 31's company and warehouse knows nothing about them. And that can mean a multitude of things. That can mean, number one, that your customers could wait a while before their items get shipped and they could be expecting them. And number two, they could actually lose their items because they've not been submitted to actual 31. We are not holding the items. If those items are to run out, they will be gone. So that is why it is just a safer bet for me and easier for all to do direct ship only. And then once the party is done, it will send to the hostess, or you can choose the consultant, that sort of thing. The other important box that needs to be clicked, and it does automatically click it, but that it's as long as you have an active website and you've been paying for your website, then it will show, this party will actually show on your site, which is another important feature. Now you can add a description, you can talk about the special, you can talk about anything that you want. We just didn't take the time to do that. And then it's always important that you save and update. We've made a change to the shipping method. It asked us, and yes, we okayed it. So here are some other great areas that I want to make sure that you don't miss. This is now the link to the party. So you now have a direct link that you can give the host and you can give all of her friends and family. This is going to take her exactly to Susie's party. If you use the app, there's another great place to use that, but since I'm showing you the back office, I want to make sure that you actually see, and we'll click on that just to show you even. And voila, it shows you, welcome, you are shopping for the event Susie's Fall Launch Party. So super easy. Any questions, please let me know.